Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. I have a 6x6 tile and I'm going to do a bloom. I'm going to use some yellows and green. I'm low on my paint right now. So hopefully I have enough just for this last one. This color to go white. You just buy it right off the shelf. It's called Extra White. Oh, bless me. Excuse me. Okay. So, I'm going to use some turquoise. This is some Amsterdam turquoise. And I have this little piggy Pinot Gris. It's an interference color. It's like a greeny color. And I'm going to try and blow this with my mouth. This is, I think it's yellow green, and then it's a Winsor & Newton medium green mixed in just to darken it up a little bit. This is Sea Glass by this little piggy. I've had these sitting for a while, so I had to thin them down. They're still a bit thick. You can thin them down with some Josanya varnish, or Josanya varnish mixed with a bit of water. There, that's much better. Can make a mound but disappears in a couple of seconds. And I'm going to put some yellow. I don't use yellow very often. It's a cadmium Winsor & Newton yellow. It's got a little bit of white in it. Okay, use my black cell activator. And I'm going to try and blow it. Move it over here a bit. Whoa. Oh, that gives me a headache. Oh, look how pretty that is. A few air bubbles. I'll let the middle come back. If I can blow it anymore, I'll try a straw. Oh, I didn't know I should have done that. There. Okay, that's fine. I wanted to blow the middle a little more. It doesn't work for me when I try this, but I'll see if I can do it again. Nope. All right. It's coming together a little bit more now. All right, spin it. Still moving. So I need to spin it some more. I just want to tip it one way more. I just wish there wasn't as much black in the middle, but I guess I didn't blow enough out. That's pretty. One big cell in the middle. It's kind of cool. Moves a little bit, not much though. I think my cell activator might be a little too thick. There you go. Pretty color combination. And now I'll leave it. Now let it dry. Still moving. Look at that. It's still moving. I will spin it some more. I'm not a fan of the middle, so I think I might do another one. Well, maybe I'll just leave it and let it dry. See what it looks like. But I think my cell activator needs to be thinned out a little more. That's better. All right. Have a good day, everyone. Come back to Carole's Art Room. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. This is my dried tile. Dried pretty good. Nice colors. I like that yellow on the outside. It's different for me. I don't use yellow much, and I really like it. There you go. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carole's Art Room. Bye.